Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Today we're gonna attempt to repair this thing with this thing, or actually open it with this thing. I've never tried it before, but basically story about this adapter. I ordered it for the laptop that you may have seen on my other video recapping, which didn't help, but it came with no adapter, so I ordered a cheap Chinese adapter and it doesn't work, produces 0 volts. And so I figured, yeah, it was like $8 or something like that. And so if I fix it, I can still charge the customer for a working cheap adapter. Otherwise, I would have to replace it. And based on the my conversation with a person that delivered this to me, they're in China. Basically, it's very hard to communicate. So I just gave up on that idea, and I figured we can fix it. We fixed so many power supplies. This shouldn't be hard. The hardest part, though, is opening it. So let's see if the hammer can get the job done. Alrighty, so our problem was actually just here. There's a poor connection on the positive, the red wire. So we didn't actually need to open this one, but I hope you found it useful that you can actually open this device with just a hammer. without damaging the device, because, or damaging the plastic, because only the hard, dense parts will be affected by hammering. The plastic will just bend, so it'll not crack or anything. This is, I assume, polycarbonate. I'm not sure what PC stands for, but probably it's polycarbonate. So yeah, it will withstand hammering, but the parts that have glue in it will crack. Before, I was using either heat and just kind of prying it open, but that always leaves nasty marks. And you can see this little mark over here, right, where I just tried to pry it open, but that never works on these. And now it can be glued together, and you wouldn't even tell that it was opened. All right, I hope you found this useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.